Having Makita power tools at the job site is handy. During breaks, just pop the battery out, slot it into this coffee maker, add ground beans or a single-serve pack, and enjoy a cup of coffee. It's cool if several folks are in the mood for coffee. The Makita coffee maker pumps out a cup every 7 minutes, offering up to 5 cups on a single battery. Espresso and cappuccino aren't on the menu, but it makes up for it with a robust build that shrugs off bumps and drops. Plus, there's a convenient carrying handle, a measuring spoon, and a cup. The coffee maker from Makita goes for $135 without the battery.